Hi traders, today on 30th of May, 2025 I am going to show you power of my setups that I trade on the daily basis. Traders, I mostly trade only GBP USD currency pair, so most of my examples are of this particular currency pair, but you can use these setups in your favorite currency pairs. I want to show you guys reliability of setups I trade and how well they work in real market. Traders, I mostly take my trades when liquidity is being hunted by market in initial hours of market opening. During this time when a new session starts, market immediately look for the areas having large amount of orders placed above or below them. That's why it is crucial for traders to identify these areas just before new session openings. Traders, another logic behind my trades are a sudden or abrupt change in delivery of prices after taking liquidity. Just as price moves quickly to grab liquidity, it should also reverse or shift direction swiftly after the liquidity has been taken, and for this I mostly use fair value gaps to catch this kind of shift in price movement. Let's understand this concept using example which I traded today. As you can see in the chart, that market went to grab liquidity or buy stop orders above pullback, forming bullish fair value gaps as if a magnet was placed just above that pullback, which attracted the prices quickly. Just as quickly it attracted the prices, as quickly it reverses prices, forming bearish fair value gaps. This kind of rejection gives me conviction to place the trade. Traders, after bearish fair value gaps reversed the bullish fair value gaps, I waited for the prices to return to the order block which formed bearish fair value gap with 1:3 risk to reward ratio. Traders, I mostly prefer the trades which could get me returns with limited risk so that I would easily achieve my profit targets. If prices would not return to my desired entry price, I prefer not to take trades, because I am a firm believer of patience. Traders, this is market. There are times when market gives you what you want, however, there are times market moves without giving you opportunity. So traders, I hope you guys understood this concept of fair value gaps and how I use them for my entry setups. Thank you.